Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 123. We are on grammar reference for Unit 6. So passive voice. So for this simple present tense. So basically this part is on active voice. So you will need to change its form from active voice to passive voice. So you may refer to page 73 for this pupils book. And we use the passive voice. So number one, to emphasize the action, not who does it. And number two, when it is obvious or we don't know who does the action. And number three, when it is people in general who do the action. And you may refer to this diagram here. So this is Lulu's dress is made from plastic bags. So basically we have this verb to be is. So depending on the subject, if it is singular, you will need to use is. So if this is the subject is plural form, we need to use are for the verb to be. And then this part basically is a past participle. So if you can see here, so we have negative forms also. So this is for singular, are for plural. And then we have this past participle. And you may refer to the last page of this workbook to find its past participle. So for example, this one, so we have these irregular verbs here, and then you may refer to its past participle. And then next, we take a look at this made of plus noun or used for plus ing. So there's a hyphen here. So meaning we need to, this hyphen basically meaning, so for verb, we need to add ing. And you can refer to page 74 of pupils book. So for example, what it is made of. So this is questioning. So your answer should be, it's made of metal. So metal is noun, and glass. So this basically this whole phrase here is noun. So what's it used for? And we need to add ing. So it's used for checking the weather. And then let's take a look at number one, activity one. Complete with the correct verbs in the passive voice. So meaning for this example already given. So we have verb to be, because these jeans we have s here, so consider as plural. So plural are made. So this is the original verb, or you may refer to the last page here. So we have infinitive. So as you can see clearly, so infinitive meaning is the original verb here. Then we have past tense, simple past tense, and then we have its past participle form. So you may refer to this page here. So again, you need to change its form. So this is make. So its past participle is made. So make. So as you can see here, so made. So basically, it shares the same word here for simple past tense. So past participle, make. So its past participle is made. So again, we go back again. So number one, jeans are made of a material called denim, which comes from cotton. And number two, cotton in hot, wet countries. So you may remind yourself, so this is cotton usually is from China, India or Brazil. So we have this grow here. So because this is singular, so we use is. And then grow, we change its form to grown. So in hot, wet countries, a lot of water to make one pair of jeans. So a lot of water. So basically we need to use this verb here, use. So a lot of water is used. Because this one sound like plural, but not. So we need to consider as a whole. So a lot of water is used to make one pair of jeans. So it's surprising that a lot of jeans, so fall away every year. So throw away. So you need to use this one. So a lot of jeans here is plural form. So our verb to be is are. So are A-R-E-R, and then you can refer to the last page again. So its past participle is thrown. So thrown away every year. Why not make them into something new? Every year, lots of old clothes all over the world. So recycle. And then we have this plural form here. And then we use the verb to be are. And then recycle. So it's past participle. We just add D here. So or you can double check ed. So basically we just add a D here. So all over the world. So this is for the first activity. So now let's take a look at activity 2. So for this, you may refer to page 74 of People's Book to take a look how it looks like for a rocket knife, feeding bottle, or a book opener. So write descriptions of the objects with made of and used for. So the first part, you will need to use made of, and then second part, used for, and then add ing. So the first already given answer, a rocket knife, it's made of metal. So second sentence, it's used for cutting herbs. And next, a feeding bottle. So it is made of plastic. And then the second sentence, it's used for feeding. So feed, and then we add ing, feeding babies. And then the third one, a book opener. So it's made of leather. So it's made of leather. So L-E-A-T-H-E-R. And then second sentence, it's used for keeping books open. So this is not the absolute answer. So just suggested answer. You may use yourself, or you complete the sentence yourself. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 123. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram board for free.